Yeah. Blessing my viewers, blessing my subscribers. Don't know the thing, New Link there from New Link Production. And today right about now, people, me did I keep quiet. But me I go talk. You understand? I'm going to talk. Cause Jamaica is my country. And I love my country so much. Look at that markets, very beautiful markets. Yeah, people, right? And as to me I go tell about now, people, the Ministry of Health in Jamaica. And you know what I mean? The whole health ministers them all over Jamaica, them send out a travel advisory to all Jamaicans who is entering the United States of America plus Canada as well. You understand, my viewers and my subscribers, and me have to make my people in my Jamaica know what's been going on, because some things keep quiet on, but we have to tell the people because you don't know. If we have violence in Jamaica, they're going to send a travel advisor to their people over there. And if anything I have, so me have to send out a travel advisor to my people. Let they be aware. You understand? Because 28 states in the United States of America, out of the 52 they have, has recorded cases of measles outbreak. Because since the year 2019, over 1,000 persons has been treated for measles. And measles can be deadly, people. You get me I say? It can kill you. No joking about that. So, in the end, my viewers and my subscribers just be aware. You get me I say? That these things is out there. You know what I mean? And a lot of times, people are quick for travel go certain part just because of the bigger money and the bigger sum. But there are plenty things out there that been waiting for us. I mean, I want nothing if it happen to none of my viewers and my subscribers them on a real level. You get me? I want the best for them. On a real level, my people. As I say, I want the best for my people them. So, in the end, all me make my people them know is be careful. You know what I mean? We know not to go out there on jobs and everything, but be careful because it's out there. And if you read it up, it's on the media site there. You get me I say? Because we can't send out our warning now, people. We have to let them know. And the minister then put it out there. It's out there already. And it's a one for Jamaicans to know. Be careful when trying to enter the United States of America. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know the thing, man. We're there. And honestly, you know, so them is the thing, them they come from down in they start from here down in Africa, you know, until they reach what because of the sea traveling and traveling there, traveling that. And even the other day, Trinidad did send out an alarm, so listen, we don't have no cases of measles because then did send out a warning, say in Trinidad there was cases of measles and the government ministers then come and say, yeah, we don't have that, so that was false. But in the end, people, we have to be careful, you know what I mean? And we want the best for our nation. And not just the Jamaicans alone, you know. My people all over the Caribbean who is watching New Link Production, be careful as well. You get me I say? People in other countries like in Europe, because we have people all over the world who is watching New Link Production. We still want the best for Uno too. We want to be safe. We don't want nothing to Uno. For New Link there, yes, a New Link, you know, no call New Link or something one day as a New Link. You know, John, me one of your viewers and me one of your subscribers them, and John, you know, so that thing that they catch me or wear me not like mash me up, God save me, God bring back. Be careful out there. Because it's out there, so we have to do what? Be careful. And the entertainers them too who is traveling, because we not travel back and forth in a different parts in Africa, in the all over we not travel go. We have to be careful on ourselves too. You know what I mean? Protect yourself. Anything you want to have where them say can protect against this thing, be careful because it's out there. It's not a joke thing, it's serious and it's out there. So my people, me there, me a relax, me a easy. See the people, that's in the beautiful town there, downtown me there. And me decide to me show my face today. Me decide to want the people them just see what I go on there so in the town. You know what I mean? You can see people been walking, you see the car they been driving, you know what I mean? Yeah man, that does so many people and I'm relaxing and so you know what? I see this thing, I mean, I have to make my viewers and my subscribers them know what's been going on. So until then, this is who again? Who? New Link from where? New Link Production, and him say attack. So my people, big up on yourself, man. Enough love, enough respect and peace. And hear what I go on, people. Please do subscribe. And if you don't subscribe yet, please do it now. And hit the bell icon underneath the video. You get me? And if you want to contact New Link, remember, check in the description. For reviews, anything, link up right down there. And remember, New Link Kid Street, September 2019. Support the thing. Link me up if you give your support and make we know. So my people, enough love, enough respect. Peace. I'm out. Attack. Big up. New Link so that.